Low testosterone doesn't make you less of a man, but leaving it unaddressed for years, that will. I've worked with over 1,200 men who waited too long, tried the wrong things, and settled for feeling half alive. They got their power back, and you can too. Low testosterone doesn't show up like a heart attack, it shows up like a slow leak. Your testosterone peaks in your mid 20s, and after that, it drops about 1 to 2% every year. By the time you're 40, that decline has been compounding for 15 years. And because it's gradual, you adapt to it. You stop expecting to feel good. You start calling it stress. You start calling it age. You start calling it life. And then you go to the doctor and he runs a blood test and tells you you're normal. And you drive home still exhausted, still foggy, still not yourself. And you have no idea what to do next. Here is what your doctor didn't tell you. The reference range for testosterone runs from 300 to 1,000. That range was built on population averages. It was not built on what a man needs to feel like himself, to feel healthy, to feel great. A man at 320 and a man at 900 both get stamped normal. Those two men are not living the same life. They are not performing the same. They are not the same clinical situation. And treating them the same way is negligence dressed up as standard of care. There is something else nobody tells you. Total testosterone is only one number. It is not the whole story. What actually matters is how much of that testosterone your body can use. That is free testosterone. A man can have a total number that looks fine on paper, while his free testosterone is so low, his body is running on fumes. If your doctor pulled one number and called it a day, you do not have an answer. You have the beginning of a question that nobody finished asking. And here is how low testosterone actually shows up in your life. It is not one thing, it is everything at once. You are tired, but you cannot sleep. You are training, but you cannot build the muscle. You are eating right, but the weight sits on your midsection like it owns the place. Your mood is flat. Your patience, it's gone. Your drive in the gym, at work, in the bedroom, all of it has gone quiet. Every single one of those symptoms has an explanation your doctor probably never offered you. The first thing a real hormone evaluation does is run a comprehensive lab panel, not just the total testosterone, free testosterone, SHBG, estradiol, cortisol, thyroid, full metabolic panel. Every one of those markers tells you something. Together, they tell you the truth. Without all of them, you are guessing. And guessing with someone's hormones is how men spend 10 years on a protocol that was never right for them. The second thing is a real conversation, not 8 minutes with a primary care doctor who has 15 other patients waiting. A real conversation about how long you have felt this way, what your energy looks like, how your sleep has been, what your body is doing, what your drive is like. Your symptoms are clinical data. They belong in the room alongside your numbers. Any provider who is not asking you about both is not doing their job. Then there is the protocol itself. Your protocol needs to be built for you, not for the guy who came in before you, for you specifically. The delivery method, the dose, the frequency, all of it gets determined by your biology, your blood work, your symptoms, and your goals. Two men with identical testosterone numbers can need completely different approaches. A clinic that puts every man on the same starting dose is not doing optimization. Let's face it, it is doing assembly line medicine, and you deserve better than that. And when you start treatment, the work does not stop. How you feel at week 3 is completely different how you feel at month 3. Your protocol needs to be adjusted as your body responds. You need to be able to reach your care team when something changes. Same day, not through a portal. Some people think apps are the greatest thing. If you can't speak to a real person, that's not real care. Not in 5 to 7 business days, the same day. That access is not a perk. It is the difference between a protocol that works and one that drifts. One of my guys, Mike, came in because a friend dragged him through the door. Literally, he had already given up. Dad bod was the plan. He had decided that was just where his body lived now, and there was nothing left to do about it. His friend told him to get his hormones checked before he accepted that as his final answer. Glad he did, because Mike followed the protocol. He followed the nutritional guidance. He got to 175 pounds, muscle, strong, lost fat, and said he felt better than he had in years. He said he would recommend Action TRT 1,000 times over. Here is what I want you to hear. Not the weight number, the fact that he had already quit. He thought the best version of himself was behind him. The only thing standing between where he was and where he ended up was one decision. Find out what is actually going on inside your body and address it the right way. These men are not lazy. They are not soft. They are running on a broken foundation, and nobody ever looked at the foundation. That was the whole problem, and it is a fixable one. If you are in Orange County and this sounds like where you are right now, here is what happens next. You come in for a free consultation and a full lab review. We look at everything. We have a real conversation about your numbers and your symptoms together. If we are the right fit, we build the protocol around your biology, not a template. No cookie cutter. The link is below. Come get answers. Individual results may vary. All therapies at Action TRT are provided by a licensed medical professional under appropriate supervision. This content is not a substitute for medical advice. See you when you get here.